Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul video for you guys, and these items are from Shein, some from Amazon, and a couple from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy this haul video. So here I'm just showing you these stickers that I got through Shein, and they're just beautiful roses. I think there are like outlined roses, as you guys can see here, and everything here is very affordable. I think the most expensive thing was probably some nail tips that were $12.99. So here we're moving on to this 12 boxes of heart-shaped nail art, and it's not just hearts in here. I know that's what the picture says. It's also some little circles that are really beautiful and you can encapsulate. And this is actually a duplicate. I didn't realize that I've purchased this in the past through Shein. So yeah, for all of those who didn't see it in my last haul video, well, here it is. And I'm just showing you up close some of the hearts that this comes with, and they're so pretty. I love these type of things because when you encapsulate them, they just look absolutely stunning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this haul video. So next we are moving on to some tip guides, and this I did purchase through AliExpress. This is the only thing in this video that's from AliExpress. So here are some tip guides. I didn't post a picture because I couldn't find it, but yeah, it's just some tip guides that I found on there. And now we will be moving on to some geometric nail art decorations. So this case does bring 6, and they're so beautiful. They're like mixed glitters, and I thought they're really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I really enjoy making these hauls for you guys. I think it's really fun. I personally love to watch these on YouTube. They're so entertaining. I love nail hauls, and I love nail art organization. Wow, I love those videos. So yeah, here I'm just showing you everything it brings. They're cute little patterns. Thank you guys once again for all the love and support you all show me by just watching my content or commenting down below. It really means a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you to all my supporters. So next we will be moving on to some heart-shaped nail art decoration, and I did decide to get these because it is Valentine's season and these will look really cute encapsulated. So I thought of just getting these, and they're really cute. So here I'm just going to show you some outside of this little wheel container that it comes in, where you guys could get a closer and a better look of what it looks like. So next we're moving on to a leaf pattern nail art template plate, and it does have leaves, it has like a mustache, even an ice cream cone on there. That was really cute. Then next we're moving on to some graphic nail art stickers, and these are like trending now, I've noticed, so I wanted to pick up a couple, and they had some on Shein, so why not? For $1 you can't go wrong. So here I'm just showing you guys what these stickers look like. They're really nice. This is what I was really excited about showing you guys. I happened to stop by the Dollar Tree, and I went over to the arts and crafts section that they had at my local Dollar Tree store, and they had all these gem rhinestone stickers, and I'm like, what? I got so happy and so excited because I could literally use this for my nails when I put on rhinestones, and I don't have these type of colors, so I definitely took advantage of that and just brought all the colors that they had, and I was just really happy about it because usually I just have, you know, the standard rhinestone, but I didn't have them in different colors like this. So yeah, I was really happy to find them, and I get all these rhinestones for $1 each, so it was definitely a great buy. I definitely encourage you guys to check out Shein, and all you have to do in the search engine is put nail art and just check out what they have, because they have really excellent deals, and it takes like 2.5 to 3 weeks depending if you choose standard or priority shipping. I always choose the standard one, and it definitely comes way quicker than AliExpress. And also, I also encourage for you guys to check out your local Dollar Tree, because you just never know what you could find, and yeah, you could literally use it for your nails. It's like in this example that I'm showing you guys, I found all these rhinestones and I was just really happy about it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the rest of the rhinestones that I found over at the Dollar Tree, and then we will be moving on to the next item. I hope you all are enjoying this video so far, and thank you so much for all the love and support. So next we're moving on to one of my favorite items. This comes with 3 boxes of foil, and foil is one of the things that I love using when I'm doing nails, and it just always seems to, I always seem to run out of it, because the ones that I purchased through Amazon, it's just a small amount. These are really big containers filled with foil. Usually I don't use these 2 colors that I'm showing you, like that copper and that silver, but I definitely do use a lot. I definitely incorporate a lot of the gold, so that was definitely a plus. Okay, this is what I'm really excited about. These are C-curved long French tip nails, and I couldn't believe I found them on Amazon. I think this is like new or something. I will have the link down below, and they're only $12.99, and they are just stunning. I literally cannot wait to use these nail tips. They are so beautiful. Here we have a box of Sequin nail art decorations, and I got this in particular because they had like neons and really pretty colors that you can encapsulate in nail looks. I didn't take it out the packaging because, as you can see, it's all over the place. Next, we are moving on to some more goodies that I got from the Dollar Tree. So these are also gem stickers that I will be using as rhinestones, and just look at the amount that you get and how pretty they are for only $1. It's like you just can't go wrong with this. And next we're moving on to the blue ones. These are also gem stickers that I found. So now we're moving on to some more nail art decorations, and this is so cute because they are beautiful gold butterflies that pop out. They're not flat, so they're super cute, and they have different sizes and textures, and I will be showing you up close to what they look like. So now I will be showing you some fire pattern nail art stickers, and these are really cute as well. I didn't have anything like this. I do have some flame ones, but this particular style I didn't have. I thought they were really nice. Next, we're moving on to some Smiley nail art decorations. These are like cute little smiley faces that you can encapsulate. So I'll be showing you guys up close what they look like. So now we're moving on to some more stickers, and these are the trending ones that I mentioned earlier. They had a couple different styles, so I decided to just pick them up since they are really cool and they're trending at the moment, and they just make any nail look super beautiful. So now we're moving on to some rhinestones. This is just a wheel of rhinestones, and these particular rhinestones, they look like diamonds. They're really pretty, and I didn't have these, so I wanted to get my hands on some of them. So yeah, here I'm just showing you a bit up close what they look like. So now we're moving on to something that I was a bit disappointed about. These are the Model Ones coffin full cover nail tips. I unfortunately did not like them. I didn't like the quality of them, and I also did not like the shape, but I already have them, so I guess I'll just make them work somehow. But they had good reviews, so I went off the reviews, and this is why I always mention don't always go off reviews, because you may or may not like it. So now we're moving on to this 5-piece nail art tool set. So I just wanted to get my hands on some more dotting tools. I do want to get more into being more creative and actually creating like my actual nail art, like hand-drawn nail art, but then it would kind of defeat the purpose of my channel, because I do like making easy achievable nail looks. So I don't know, but yeah, I just decided to get my hands on some. So now we're just moving on to some star and moon patterned nail art stickers. So it's just a sheet full of different stars and moons and just galactic type of patterns, and they're so cute. So here they are. So I did save the best for last. Here is 10 rolls of foil, and I just love how it comes in a container already. And these foils were such great quality. I was really impressed. You get all this for $2.50, and they have a lot. They have a variety of different foils. You get enough length. They're durable, great quality, and they're beautiful. The prints, I absolutely love them. I don't have any of these prints that I purchased, so I was really excited to add some more to my collection. And this one in particular, this box, is Valentine's Day themed, so I was really excited about that. And as you guys can see, look how long it is. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of these foils that I'm about to show you. Thank you so much once again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, and let me know down below which was your favorite item out of this entire haul. I'd love to know what you guys liked the best, and thank you guys so much for everything once again. Till next time.